So the last part of this lesson is integrating more than just once. So in this case, I'm giving you the second derivative, and we have to go back twice. Because of that, we're going to end up also having two different constants. So because of that, I'm going to need two sets of information to solve for it. So I'm just going to start off with finding the first derivative, so integrating once. So f prime of x is just the integral of my second derivative, so 12x squared minus 4 dx. So therefore, when I integrate that, I end up getting 12x the third over 3 minus 4x the first over 1 plus c. Okay, so that's my first derivative. Now, to find my c value, up top here, they gave me f prime of x. If they wouldn't have given me that, then I would have to keep going with my c value and take that into consideration when I go back and find f of x. A little bit more work, but still completely doable. So now when I plug in 0 for x, negative 1 for f of x, I end up getting 4 times 0 minus 4 times 0 plus c. Therefore, c is negative 1. So f prime of x equals 4x cubed minus 4x minus 1. Feel free to simplify those fractions to make it a little easier as you go through. Okay, so now I have my first derivative. Now I need to go back and find f of x. So f of x is just the integration of 4x cubed minus 4x minus 1 dx. So that is 4x to the fourth over 4 minus 4x squared over 2 minus x plus d. New constant, not necessarily the same constant as the c one was, so I'm just going to simplify this before I substitute in. Okay, so now this is f of x, so now I have to plug in my f of x point. So the 0.14. So 4 equals 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus d. So do d therefore is 6, which means f of x is x to the fourth minus 2x squared minus x plus 6.